History of how scientists confirm that human balance is heavily affected in space. The understanding that human balance changes dramatically in space developed slowly over many decades. Researchers, doctors, and astronauts made discoveries step by step, beginning long before the first human ever left Earth. Below is the full historical timeline. Number 1. Early theories. Before human spaceflight, 1800s to 1950s. Long before spaceflight, scientists already suspected that gravity plays a major role in human balance. Key ideas. The inner ear contains structures, the vestibular system, filled with fluid that helps detect gravity and movement. Doctors in the 1800s found that people with inner ear injuries struggled to walk, turn, or stand still. Early aerospace physicians in the 1940s to 1950s predicted that without gravity, astronauts would lose their sense of orientation. These predictions became the foundation of later research. 2. First animal flights reveal balance problems 1950s to 1960s. Before humans, animals were used as test subjects. Important examples: fruit flies, 1947. The first living creatures in space showed abnormal movement after landing. Dogs in Soviet flights, 1950s. Video analysis showed disorientation and difficulty standing after return. Chimpanzees, 1961. US experiments showed that microgravity affected motor coordination. These early tests proved that the inner ear balance system reacts to weightlessness. 3. First human spaceflights confirm the problem, 1961 to 1965. When astronauts finally flew, they reported similar symptoms. Yuri Gagarin, 1961, first human in space. He noted unusual sensations of floating and orientation changes. American Mercury astronauts John Glenn, Scott Carpenter, and others reported temporary confusion in body orientation. NASA noted space motion effects, but still lacked full understanding. These early missions proved that humans cannot rely on normal balance cues in space. Number 4, the discovery of space motion sickness, 1970s. During longer missions like Skylab 1973 to 1974 and Salyut stations, astronauts frequently became motion sick. Symptoms included dizziness, nausea, poor coordination, difficulty controlling head movements, loss of spatial orientation. By the end of the 1970s, doctors officially named the condition space motion sickness, SMS, a direct result of the balance system being confused by weightlessness. This was the strongest confirmation yet that the balance organs require gravity to function normally. Hammer 5. Research expands on space shuttles, 1981 to 2011. NASA used shuttle missions to perform hundreds of medical experiments. Major findings: the inner ear's otolith organs stop detecting up and down. The brain receives conflicting signals from the eyes and inner ear. The body relearns a new kind of balance for microgravity. Scientists discovered that the balance system readapts after a few days, but returning to Earth causes a second wave of imbalance. Number 6, balance studies on the International Space Station, 2000 present. ISS missions allowed long-term studies lasting 6 to 12 months. ISS research confirmed astronauts lose up to 70% of their reflex-based balance control. Leg muscles and postural muscles weaken significantly. Eyes, inner ears, and the brain must retrain themselves after landing. After long missions, astronauts take days or weeks to regain full balance on Earth. The ISS produced the strongest proof in history that human balance is deeply dependent on gravity. Modern understanding, 2010s to 2025. Today, space medicine fully recognizes the effects of microgravity on balance. Medical conclusions. Microgravity disrupts every part of the balance system: inner ear, vestibular, vision, proprioception, body position sense, muscle control. Returning astronauts often cannot walk in straight lines, stand with eyes closed, or keep stable posture. Continuous exercise and balance training on the ISS only reduce but cannot eliminate the problem. Final confirmation. The long history of research, from theoretical predictions to modern ISS science, clearly confirms human balance